Hi everybody, Celia the Lice Lady here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below if you have any questions. Today we're going to bust the myth of using pickle juice to get rid of head lice. Let's see if this will work. We have our petri dish with the lice. We're going to pour the pickle juice in there, let them sit for about 20 minutes, take the lice out, and see if the lice survived a pickle juice bath. All right, so now I'm gonna pour some pickle juice in here. And see. Oh, I'm making a mess. So we're gonna wait about 20 minutes and we'll find out what happens. Okay, so the bugs have been sitting in the pickle juice for over 20 minutes. We're going to take them out, clean them off, and see if they survived. Oh. That is messy. I don't think I like pickle juice. That one is gonna be fun to get off. Okay, so we're just gonna let them hang out there for a little while and see if they come back to life. So as you can tell with pickle juice, none of the bugs died. So of course we're not going to recommend this as a good form of treatment. And then I don't know why you'd want to put pickle juice on your head anyways. So we're going to say thumbs down to this type of treatment. What type of treatments have you tried? If you've tried anything that's worked, let us know. If you have any ideas of any type of treatments, then ask us, type in the comments below. So we hope you have a lice-free and happy day.